Well, was talking about checking the diets on that. Just put on the resistance, then you go one direction, then it should show some resistance. In another direction, it should show nothing. If it shows like a continuity both directions, that means either diet is bad, or maybe like this. In this case, this one, I thought this one was bad, but I was wrong, because to check this one you actually have to energize the relay to open up the circuit. And well, I wanted to do that anyway. I even found a diagram, for those relays. Basically they have uh, 1, 2, depends on the position. 1, 2. I made just taped couple test leads, and as far as the ground side on a coil, usually, because I was energizing the whole circuit board, and some of them some of them are energized. So basically I turn off and I check the continuity between the power side, and I figure that the side that doesn't have any continuity to this side is gonna be your ground side, and that's usually the one far from this power, the outputs. But when it's disconnected, you can basically just click on them with power and the ground, and you can hear a click. But I also checked if the contacts work as far as the continuity. But to check it the right way, you honestly have to have some kind of a load. But at least I was able to check most of the relays except these two and this one, because they are behind that whatever, the positive lead. But did not find anything obviously wrong. This one had a water puddle sitting in here, because it was doing something funny, and now I'm thinking maybe just water was shooting something out. Well, I tightened up the fuse terminals. I guess I'm gonna put it back together, and well, yeah, the loose fuse terminals, yeah, basically just, but be careful, don't just squeeze them a little bit, and that's it. I'm talking about, don't force them side to side, because you're gonna break it. Then once again, if you find anything loose, obviously need to check on the back, probably with magnifying glass. And if you do find something loose, I would recommend to solder it using this stuff. This is a liquid flux. It works very good. I got it from Amazon, and it helps a lot. I mean, it's actually works very good. I mean, maybe there are better ones, but this one works. And as far as the soldering, this one is electrical. But there are some like a softer one, but it requires over temperature. So usually it's okay, but maybe if you're doing something that's might get hot, you might want to use like this stuff. But something small, I would use that thin wire. Alright, well, so that's at least to check the basics. Well, there are nothing special in here, just the relays, diodes, and the resistors.